So in this section what we're going to do is look at some basic jumping. What we're going to aim to do is start off with one fence and build up to a grid of 2 fences. What we're looking to achieve here is to improve the horse's gymnastic ability and suppleness and see how it improves the horse's basic gait. Also, it's a great opportunity for the rider to increase their gymnastic ability and feel. This horse is a novice horse, so he's only started jumping, so we're going to keep it at a level that's easy for him, but it's also a level that you could easily practice at home. So the horse is already warmed up, he's already gone through the walk, trot and the canter. What we're going to do now is we're going to start to build up the exercises so as that the horse can approach the fence easily and also with confidence, so as that we make it harder, the horse stays confident throughout the whole exercise. So the rhythm looks good there in the trot, Lauren. His balance looks good and he looks quite confident. So if you want to change the rein, we'll just have a look at the trot on the left rein. So how we're going to build this exercise up is we're going to be starting off with a trot approach to our pole, okay, landing and then ending off departing from the fencing canter. And then when you're ready, Lauren, if you want to just take him forwards to canter for me. Okay, so you can see this horse, basically the canter is correct, it's 3 beat, but it's a little bit fast, a little bit flat and a little unbalanced. Just quietly come back to trot, Lauren, when you're ready. Okay, you can see in the downward transition he lost a little balance and was a little quick. A little bit slower in the rhythm, Lauren. And then we'll have a change of rein when you're ready and we'll have a look at the canter on the right rein. Okay, so a little bit head high to canter. That's okay, not too worried about that at the moment. He did answer her leg, which was the most important thing. He was respectful to her aid. Okay, but basically you can see the same thing in the canter. It's a little fast and a little unbalanced. When you're ready, Lauren, next time round I want you to come round and down over the placing pole to your cross pole. I want you to approach in trot and then we'll land and depart in the canter. So this horse has jumped before, it's not his first time. Let's see what he does today. Quite a big jumping effort. He basically came in a nice way, he kept his rhythm, he had a look at the pole, he found his place to that pole and then made a good effort over the jump. Okay, so now we're looking at the same exercise but off the left rein to see if that presents us with any differences. Okay, so big jumping effort coming in. What we want to try and do is not get too fast on your approach, Lauren. Same thing again. Relax, keep the rhythm. Good, and a nice canter to depart away. What we've done now is we've built our second fence. Not very big because the purpose of this is not to see how high we can jump, but really to see how we can use the exercise to develop the horse's suppleness. So what we've got here is a second fence with one non-jumping stride in between. So the horse will land after the first fence, take one stride of canter, and then take off over the second fence. And then quietly forwards to walk. Good boy. So you could see there that although still the canter is a little quick and a little fast, it was definitely an improvement to where we started. So hopefully from this section you could see how we use the grid work to develop this horse's canter and suppleness. As you saw, as the horse went on to jump more fences, you could see how the canter improved. You could also see how it helped to improve the rider's balance and feel over the fence. Being a young horse, he makes quite a big jumping effort in over his fences, so the rider has to stay in balance with the horse in order for the horse to stay confident and therefore improve his own balance. Horses find it very difficult to improve its balance if the rider on top is unbalanced as well. When you're building grids, you can make them a lot more complex than this. But this is basically just to give you the principle of how you can use gymnastic jumping to improve your horse's suppleness and balance.